Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Instagram profile and archive old posts by date using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier than ever to organize your posts and keep your feed fresh. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen and click on the menu icon. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. From the menu, select Your Activity. This section is where you can manage everything you've shared on Instagram. Next, click on Photos and Videos. Here, you'll see several categories. Choose Posts to view all the photos and videos you've shared to your profile. Now, to find posts from a specific time period, click on Sort and Filter. A new window will appear, allowing you to choose the start and end dates for the posts you want to archive. Select your preferred dates, then click Apply to filter the posts. After filtering, you'll see only the posts that fall within your chosen date range. Click on Select to enter selection mode. Now, you can click on each post you want to archive, or select multiple posts at once for bulk archiving. Once you've chosen all the posts you want to archive, look for the Archive button, usually at the bottom or top of the screen, and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to archive the selected posts. Confirm your choice, and just like that, your posts will be moved to your archive. These posts are now hidden from your public profile, but you can always access them later if you want to restore or review them. Archiving is the perfect way to declutter your Instagram without losing any memories. Give your profile a fresh start and keep your content organized with these simple steps. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized Instagram feed.